Hey besties, my name is Titi and welcome back to my channel. And if today is your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome to the family. Like, this family is getting big, we're over 100 already. So welcome to our family. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use needle and thread to make your headband wig. Like, it's been headband wig for me now. Like, I kind of love it. Wondering, oh, I don't have edges, my edges are thin, I can't wear headband wig. You see, you can wear your headband wig just like this, covering your edges. And if you also want to leave your edges out, I have another video showing you guys how you can manipulate your thin edges to make it look like it's so full. So you can check that video out in the description bar below. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this wig, please definitely keep on. Alright guys, so you need your thread, you need your needle, you need wig cap, you need canvas head, you need mannequin stand, and of course headband and bundles. Okay, so if you don't have your bundles, you can go over to my website to order you some nice bundle. I do pre-order only though, so but don't worry, when it comes to you, you're having her forever. Okay, by the way guys, the bundles I'm going to be using today, it's not a new bundle. Like, I've had this hair for a while now, so the closure is not looking nice anymore, so I decided to turn it into headband wig. So you do not have to go buy another hair to make headband wig. Just search around your house, search your wig, which one you think the closure is not looking nice anymore, then you can just turn it into a headband wig. Okay, so you're going to go ahead to use your scissors to cut the headband where they joined it together. Okay, and you're going to use your T-pin to hold the headband onto the wig cap and start sewing. And when you're sewing, you do not want to sew through the elastic band on the wig cap. You want to sew through the net. Okay, that you're not grabbing the elastic band as you're sewing, because that's going to shrink your cap. Okay, and we don't want that. Alright guys, so that's just me showing you the wrong way to do it. So you do not want to do it like that. So you want to make sure you sew on the net, not the elastic band. Okay, yes. So you're just gonna stop sewing once you get to somewhere around behind your ears. Okay, just like that, around the nape of your neck, kind of. So the first 3 to 4 lanes, I'm going to double my tracks. So alright guys, so to start sewing your bundles onto your wig cap, you want to put your needle through the weft, like very close to the end, just like you see me doing in the video. And the second one as well, you want to put it through the weft and you knot it like twice, and the rest you can go under the weft. Then you can go ahead to use your T-pin to hold the hair in place, and then you start sewing. And I always use, like, leave 2 fingers apart from each other when I'm sewing at the back. And as you guys can see, I left about 1 inch before I start sewing, so that's where the band is going to go when I'm using my Velcro to hook it in place. So to do your fold over method, you want to open up your tracks and put your needle through the weft, just one of the weft actually, not both. Then you knot it twice, that's just going to keep it in place, and you do the same thing on the second one. Then at this point, once you have two knots, then you can grab the second hair from under. You can see it's looking really flat. And if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Be part of this family, okay? Thank you. And that's just me showing you guys again that they're about 2 fingers apart from each other. And I'm just sewing in the direction that the hair is going to be falling. Like you see, this point is going to the back, then the other side is going to be on the side, and that's why it's looking like U. You can see the shape is like U, like I'm sewing like in U shape. I'm repeating the same thing. That's how I thought. I'm sorry, guys. Oh yes, so that's it. And I'm just sitting down feeling lazy. By the way, guys, I'm only doing this for you guys, for my loved ones on YouTube, because I realize most of my subscribers don't even have a sewing machine, and of course it's easy to buy needle and thread and not easy to buy sewing machine just to make personal wigs, right? So that's why I decided to make this one using needle and thread. And I was just sitting down gisting with my sister, you know, like that's why I have my phone on my shoulder. So I'm just gisting. I like gisting with my sister when I'm free. And at this point, we're not making any U shape anymore. So we're going to just start sewing across from beginning till the end. Like we're just going to start sewing. And at this point, I'm not doing 1 finger or 2 fingers away from each other. I'm just sewing close to each other, like very close to each other. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just going to fast forward it because I'm just doing the same thing. And yes, if you guys have any question, please feel free to leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And that's it, we're all done. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead to attach my Velcro. So guys, I went into wig. So guys, I use 2 types of wig combs. So the one with snap and the regular wig comb. So I use 3 of the one with snap in the front and 2 regular wig comb at the back. So So in my previous video, I did use the regular wig comb in the front, but it wasn't comfortable. It was kind of pulling my hair back, like I didn't like it at all. So this time around, I opted for the one with snap in the front, 3 of that and 2 of the regular wig comb at the back. And that's just going to keep the hair in place. So in that case, you can style her anyhow you want, okay? And yes, that's me testing it out. And if you guys are interested in seeing a video where I style this wig, please click the link above to check that video out. Like, I did achieve about 6 styles with this wig, and trust me, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, and don't worry about my thin edges. In that video I reviewed my secret to full edges. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Please guys, always comment on my videos, please. This is gonna help my channel grow. It's gonna help YouTube recommend my videos to others, please. So guys, don't just watch without leaving a comment. At least tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about my hair. Tell me what you think about my look. Tell me what you think about the fact that I don't wear earrings. Tell me what you think about the fact that I'm able to do my eyeshadows today. You know, tell me something. All right, guys. Bye. Love you.